Mu butumwa bwe bwashoma umuhezi we Retired Major Jessica Arupo amukoro gw'okwemeka Bishop wa Kashatu w'obureberezo bwa North Ankole Diocese amukoro gw'abahari Emmanuel Cathedral mu Rushere His Excellency General Kaguta Museveni Tubuhaburwa yashoborera okwekanisa ery'empagi mpango mu kutunguuka kw'ihanga.
I wish to recognize the role of the church in shaping the morals of our society, as well as being partners with government in development. The religious institutions have supplemented government's efforts in raising people's living standards by providing literacy and skills.
Mwembezi w'ihanga yahiga abebembezi b'edini okukwatiraho gavumenti aritaro rw'okubinga obworo omu Banya-Uganda.
We should indeed not be limited to evangelism, teaching and discipleship. To fulfill the work of God, the church must mobilize communities and make them active participants in programs that help them solve common problems that affect their well-being.
Ebyo bikiri aho Honorable Wilson Kajwenje yasima mukuru w'ihanga ab'okushatira abariisa omubazi gw'okugema amatungo gaabo endwara y'ejwa eyagirangu ogwiyagirangu nigwija kubahwera munonga. Omukoro ogu gwayetabamu abembezi b'ebitongore bya gavumenti ebitari bimwe na bimwe abarimu mukuru w'ekitongore ky'omushoro ekya Uganda Revenue Authority URA muduumizi w'amahega ya Uganda omu ihanga erya Somalia Lieutenant General Sam Kavuma abanyeshengero batari bamwe na bamwe hamwe n'abebembezi b'ebyanga. Nk'okwayosire naakora mukuru w'ihanga yarabira Bishop omusya motoka y'ekika kya Land Cruiser okumuhweraho omu mirimo y'ekanisa.